Hello everyone, welcome to IPT Solution. Today in this video we are gonna install Next 15, which is not officially launched, but its beta version is launched by Next.js. So as you can see, this is a blog post written by Next.js. As you can see, Next.js 15 RC. So basically Next 15 comes with the React 19 RC, and basically React 19 is also not officially launched, but beta version is there. We can use the beta version once we are live with the official documentation. Then we can switch to Next 15 official version. So how we can install this Next 15 for working in our projects? As you can see here, there is one command to install Next 15, but if you try to install this command, then we will get some error, which is by that error we can't install the Next 15. So in this video I will tell you how you can install this Next 15 and how you can get docs for this, how you can get link to this docs. Okay, so basically right in the React 19, which is not basically launched, but we can use in beta version. So after that, there are few changes. There are few updates in Next 15 which was not there in Next 14, and today we are gonna install that. Okay, you need to scroll a little bit to the bottom, and you can see here the turbo command. Okay, basically you need to copy this command. Once you copy this command, you need to come to the dashboard and right click anywhere and open it in terminal, and wherever you want to install the Next 15, you can just type that command, and after that you can install, and after that paste this command and hit enter. Once you hit enter, and you need to wait for a while, and it will start installing your Next.js project. You need to provide your name of your project, such as I am providing test 15, and I will hit enter. I don't need Next.js. I don't line ES line also, Tailwind CS also, and SRC directory I need, Prout also I need, and by default whatever they are providing I'm just hitting enter, and let's wait for a while, and till then wait for a seconds and let it be installed. Okay, now let's back to our documentation. We will see few things till then it's installing. Okay. Okay, basically this turbo, we need not to write a turbo. Basically with the help of this turbo we can smoothly work, we can work fastly with the development server. So you can use this turbo, or instead of this turbo you can remove also. Okay, there are some optimizations in Next.js which you can read over at the top. Here caching, in caching there is a lot of change. After that parental rendering experimental, lot of change, and next after, and create next step. After that building external packages. These are the few updates which had been launched in Next 15. These are major, but a lot of minor will be there which is not officially shown to us here on in this blog. And if you want to read this blog, okay, let me show you. If you want to read this blog, you can go to Google and just type Next 15 and you will get the result. Open the first or open the second result of by official Next.js site, you will get the output. Okay, now you can see here our Next 15 is installed. Now let's move to the test folder, test 15, and after that let's run the development server also. So npm run dev, correct. Okay, now we will wait. As you can see, next turbo is running, and our localhost is also started. So let's move to this localhost, and we will wait for a while till the page is loading, and you can see the Next.js has been successfully loaded. So this is how you can work with Next 15, and you can install Next 15, as this home page is also different from Next 14, correct. And you can work with this, and once a stable version is released you can switch to that stable version. That's all in this video. Thank you guys.